Okay, so we have, I think, 23 salsas here. And I just finished the marinara. Boy, don't let nobody tell you peeling tomatoes is easy. It is not. So this is the marinara on the simmer right now. Oh, that's next. Okay, I finished up the salsa. I finished up the salsa and the marinara. I finished up all the tomatoes. I am done for today, and I'm done for the season for tomatoes. Now, let me show you what I got. I have 28 salsas, pinted, and I have 18 marinara. So marinara, 18, salsas, 28. That is a wrap. Done.